Good afternoon. Standard 8 subject English. Today we learn a new unit number 2. First point 2.1, a poem try again or mean up chit chat on page number 27. What do you like, poems or stories? I like both poems and stories. What kind of poems do you enjoy the most? Lyrical, didactic, like this. Do you think poems can inspire us? Yes, I do. Yes, sure, I do think that poem inspire us. Do you remember any such inspiring poem? Yes. We shall overcome. When did you learn or listen to it? I learned it when I was in standard 7. What message do you get from it? We have faith in ourselves. We have faith in ourselves. So I read the part of poem for an extract. Listen carefully on page number 28. Try again. Tis a lesson you should hear. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you will preserve, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. So this is the part for the extract. Now see, tis. Tis means shortened form of it is. Shortened form of it is. So it is a lesson. It is a lesson. You should pay attention to this lesson. To this lesson. Means the name of the lesson is try again. Try again. Means in our life we solve so many problems. We do not succeed in some problem, but we don't cry. Means we try again and again. Try again and again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. If you do work or try to solve a sum, to solve some sentences, to solve a question, and you fail, it means you don't succeed. So try again and again. Then your courage should appear. Then your courage should appear. And means courage is very important. Courage is very important when we try again. And if you have the courage, or your courage should appear in this situation, for if you will preserve means keep trying till once achieves. Keep trying till one achieves. Means try again and again. We preserve means try again and again. And you will conquer. You will conquer, never fear. Try again. Means if you try or work again and again, and it is do means preserve means continue. Your try do continually, and so you will conquer. You will conquer on this situation. On this situation, but never fear. But never fail. If you try some more, some things, solving something, solving some problems, solving question, solving poems, solving sentences, like this, so many words, and so you never fear. you never fear. And if you fear in this situation, you can't get success. So the poet says that never fear and try again and again. And if you try again and again, you will success in your life. So don't 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 fear, don't fear any other subject, and so try again and again, and you get good success in any problem. So try again and again. This is a good lesson. You keep in your mind this lesson and try again and again in every situation. If you solve a problem at that time, if you not success at first, at that time you try again and again. So this is the part of an extract. You read it by heartily again and again. So we stop here. Next period I will give you an extract on this part of the poem. So we stop